Hello, my name is Muhammad Fadlan Hazim bin Khairul Fazilah. My metric number is AA 200. I am from section 2.
Okay, I'm Zam Afif Hazim bin Zam Effendi. My matrix number is AA200155.
My name is Muhammad Imaduddin Zakwan bin Muhammad Ismawi. Matric number AA201277.
Hello, my name Muhammad Faiz Farhan bin Rohaizam and my number matric is AA201169.
Hello, my name is Imran Ismail. My matrix number is AA20047.
My name is Muhammad Saiful Hafiz bin Ishamuddin. My matric number is AA200499.
Okay, hi, Assalamualaikum. For this video, we will present about our assignment. Okay, the title of our assignment is program-based learning, or we call that is PBL. So, we are from Faculty of Electrical Engineering. Okay, my group is Group 4 from Section 2. Okay, our group member is Muhammad Imran Ismail, Muhammad Faiz Farhan bin Rohaizam, Muhammad Imaduddin Zakwan bin Muhammad Ismawi, Muhammad Saiful Hafiz bin Hishamuddin, Muhammad Fadlan Azim bin Khairul Fazilah, Zam Afif Hazim bin Zaim Effendi, and that is me. So our lecturer is Puan Jamila binti Muhammad Azali. So we will start our presentation with Saiful Hafiz. Okay, let's go.
My name is Muhammad Saiful Hafiz bin Ishamuddin. First all, praise to Allah as finally we are able to finish this assignment with great determination. Next, big thanks we address to our beloved lecturer Puan Jamilah binti Muhammad Ghazali, who introduced us to the methodology of work that has made this assignment much easier for us. Her encouragement and patient guidance has kept us progress on schedule. In addition, our own team members have made valuable comment suggestions on this assignment. Even though we have several issues due to the current pandemic of COVID-19, luckily, we managed to settle down the problem. The work has been done was because of excellent cooperation and tolerance. Besides, a million thanks to various people who directly and indirectly support us by lending us a hand to complete the given assignment, which without it will make it difficult for us to complete this project. We hope that all the effort will give a lot of benefit to us and also this project.
So, for the minutes meeting, okay, we made our first meeting on the day
17 December 2020. Okay, and the time is 12:30 PM. 12:30 petang tengah hari. So our medium is Google Meet and the attendance is 6 per 6. So no absent all the times. Okay, our group objective for the first meeting is the group selection of a team leaders and session identification. So in a group we are consisting of 6 members is formed and brief introductory session is conducted. A leader is also selected to facilitate matters throughout the execution of the task. So and number 2 of our meeting objective is discussion of the questions given. So I and my members in the group, we asked to make a question number 2 for arithmetic series and geometric series. So everyone give their own ideas and opinion regarding the questions given. So number 3 is the division of tasks between group members. So each member of the group choose a task based on the given format. So we agree to use the Google document application to complete the assignment so that each member can view and edit. Okay, for the next meeting we do at the date 24 December 2020. So the time for the second meeting is 9 PM. So our medium is Google Meet. So the attendance is 6/6. So all attendants may absent. Okay, for the second meeting, our objective is discussion of assignment. Discuss with the group members to solve the problem for the filler table. How to do the filler table and complete. In addition, we also solve the problem part of the result and discussion. So the second one for the objective meeting for the second meeting, we are improve on the report. Making an improve to the report as a last preparation before submission. So our groups member and our group members have agreed and achieved unanimously with the idea during the meeting. So the last one for our objective meeting for the second one meeting is checking an error on the report. So the leader, I and all group members check the report for the last time to make sure there's no error after editing. So the teammate will be satisfied with their task. Okay. So this is our picture for the meeting sebagai bahan bukti lah. Okay.
Hello, my name is Imran Ismail. I'm gonna presenting about the introduction of the PBL. PBL, problem-based learning, is one of teaching method to solve complex real-world problems. This will help expose the student to direct presentation of facts and concepts. It also promotes critical thinking skill, finding, problem solving, and communication skills. It gives students experience to work on groups, finding and evaluating research materials, and lifelong learning. Algebra is one of a subject where we can apply the PBL to the syllabus. Algebra is a branch of mathematics which is using symbol to replace the unknown number and manipulating the symbol with rules to be followed. In English, a sentence is describing the relationship between a specific word. But in algebra, the equation of the symbol is describing the relationship between the variables. One of subtopic in algebra is arithmetic. And arithmetic is a sequence, is a list of number which is defined patterns. If you take any number in the sequence, then subtract it by the previous one, the result is always the same or constant. Then it is an arithmetic sequence. The second one is geometric sequence. Geometric progression is a sequence of number where each term of after the first is found by multiplicating the previous one by a fixed non-zero number called common ratio.
Okay, for the background question. So part 1 is arithmetic series. Okay, we take the question number 2. So the question is the starting salary of the laboratory assistant of local university is 2,200 RM 2,200. So each year the assistant will receive a rise in amount of RM 150. So how much will the salary earn at the start of the 15th year as laboratory assistant? Okay, so the part B is geometric sequence. So it's also question number 2. So the question is a person share a link of the link. A person share a link show video to 5 friends through medium of Facebook. Then every hour later, each friend share it to 5 another friends. If the pattern keeps happening, then how many friends receive the link after 5 hours? So there is a background question.
Today I want to present about filler table. From the filler table, there are 4 things that we conclude. It is facts, ideas, learning issue and resource needed. the arithmetic series questions. The starting salary of the laboratory assistant of local university is 2,200 ringgit. Each year, the assistant will raise in amount of 150 ringgit. How much will the salary earn at the 15 years as a laboratory assistant? The fact of the question is the starting salary for laboratory assistant in local university is 2,200 ringgit. And number 2, every year the salary will raise in amount 150 ringgit. The idea from the question is the salary start at 2,200 ringgit. And number 2, every year the salary increase 150 ringgit. The number 3 is what is the salary after 15 years? The learning issue from the question is this an arithmetic solving problem? And number 2, what is needed to be put in the formula? The resource needed from the question is internet and reference. Next, the geometric sequence question. A person share a link of cooking show video to 5 friends through medium of Facebook. Then every hours later, each friend share it to 5 another friends. If the pattern keeps happening, then how many friends receive this link after 5 hours? The fact from the question number 1 is a link of cooking show video shared to 5 person in Facebook. Number 2, every hour each friend share it to another 5 friends. Number 3, the number of people share the link keep decreasing. The idea of the question number 1 is the video shared to 5 friends. Every hour they will share it to another 5 friends. Number 3, how many friends will receive the link after 5 hours? Learning issue from the question number 1 is this a geometry series problem? Number 2, what is the term that need to be in the formula? And the last different resource needed from the question number 1 is internet, and number 2 reference book.
I will present about my part, which is solution of variable. Part A, question 2. Tn is the total of n term of the sequence, which is total of salary of the laboratory of local university, and n is nth term of the sequence. A is the first term. The formula using is Tn equal A plus open the bracket n minus 1 close the bracket multiple D. So the T15 equal RM 2200 plus open the bracket 15 minus 1 close the bracket multiple RM 150. So the final answer is RM 4300. So we go to the part B, question 2. S is the total of friends receive the link. A is the first term. R is the common ratio. The formula using is Sn equal A open the bracket R the power of n minus 1 close the bracket divided by R minus 1. So R S5 equal S5 equal 5 open the bracket 5 the power of 5 minus 1 divided by 5 minus 1. So the answer for S5 is 3905. That's all from me.
Okay, now my part. I want to present about result and discussion. Okay, part A, question 2. As the conclusion, there is a lot of application arithmetic progressions that we use in our daily lives. As you can see on the question 2, we know that the money increase each month. The amount of money is increased with the same difference but difference ratio. Tn is total of salary of the laboratory of local university. N is term of the sequence. A is the first term. We use Tn equal A plus open the bracket and minus 1 close the bracket D in order to confirm that it is an arithmetic progression. Okay, next, part B, question 2. As the conclusion, there is a lot of application geometry. For the question 2, the difference between generation are not same. A person share a link of cooking show video to 5 friends through medium of Facebook. Then every hour later, each friend share it to 5 another friends, which can be calculated as common ratio. S is the total of friends reserve the link. A is the first term. R is common ratio. For this question, we use Sn equal A open the bracket R the power of n minus 1 close the bracket divided by R minus 1 formula because it is a geometry progression. Thank you. Bye bye.